beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Lucy Stevenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and makes sure to push my videos out to more people. And obviously today we're launching off the month with another giveaway. So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for all of the love in August for Vlogust, where I was uploading a brand new video every single day at 6 o'clock UK time. I would definitely recommend going and checking out them videos because it was an unbelievable month, and 31 videos was actually crazy to do all in 1 month. Today we are back with a brand new giveaway and back to my normal uploading schedule, which is Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time, and sometimes I'll put a bonus video up during the week as well, so keep your eyes peeled. Today we're going to be doing a huge giveaway, like I said, to launch off the month. We have a bag full of goodies. Let's just get straight into it. I'll start with the rules to begin with. So as always, this giveaway lasts for the full month, so it'll be ending at the last day of September the 31st, and I will announce the giveaway winners in October sometime. Don't put any pressure on me. I'll announce them when I can. It won't be the same day, and it won't be probably the week after either. It'll be when I'm ready to sort it out. So if you want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below and let me know a video idea that you want me to do, an assumption, a question, or even just a way for me to improve my channel. I'm all up for constructive criticism, and we don't do bullies, we don't do meanies around here, but I'm totally up for some constructive criticism on how to improve my videos, or what videos to do, how to improve the quality, and all that good stuff. If you want to enter and get some bonus entries, please follow me on Instagram, please join our Facebook group Luce's Ladies, and follow me on Twitter as well. All the links are down below. Let's just get straight into what's in this prize. It's a good one. So as always, we have some kind of a nail file. These are the ones from Studio, which is from Superdrug, which just looks like this. So it's like basically duo-sided nail files and buffers with 3 different sizes. Just looks like this. And then we have, all my giveaways always have some kind of bag in them, and this is this one. This is the Beach Please bag. I've got a couple more of these actually to do for future giveaways as well. Probably save them for next year now, because obviously we're into September, the beach isn't probably going to be an option for much longer. This bag is full, so let's just get straight into it. So first up we have a full-size makeup primer. This is from the brand Wonderland. It's their Studio Finish Primer. It just basically looks like this. It looks like it's like a silicone-y one, which would be really good if you've got any large pores or if you're oily. Be a really good one to try. We also have this little cool gadget, which I'm so excited for you to try to see what it's like. I have like a cheap, like £1 odd version from eBay, so this is like a proper branded one, so I hope it works out really well for you as well. This is basically a dry and wet cosmetic brush cleaner. So say if you have like a favourite eyeshadow brush and you're like, I love this brush for blending, but I need another one for a different colour and I can't have the colours mixing. You basically just rub your brush in here and it takes the colour off, and then you can use it for another colour, and it's not going to mix the colours together. So that's what that is. So for dry, you can also obviously use it to like wet clean as well. So it says for dry clean, simply swirl your makeup brush on the black net in a circular motion until the colour pigment has been removed, and then you can go on to your next colour without having to switch your brushes. But for a wet clean, you basically take out the black netting, apply a little bit of your brush cleaner onto your brush, and then swirl the brush around inside, and it has like the little grooves on the bottom of the palette to help to clean your brush, and then obviously just squeeze out the excess, rinse and leave it to air dry as well. So yeah, this is from the brand Miss Gorgeous London, so I'm really excited for you to try that, whoever wins. By the way, you can enter as many times as you want in the comments. You have to put in the comment a way for me to get in touch with you, so some kind of social media or email. Don't put your phone number in, because I delete the comment because I don't want other people seeing your phone number just for safety reasons. So make sure that you put some way in the comment for me to get in touch with you, otherwise your comment will get skipped and somebody else will win the prize. So make sure you do it for every single comment. And you can comment as many times as you want. Anyways, back to the prize. So the next one is actually a teeth whitening pen. So this is from Instant Whites. It's their 02 New Formula Teeth Whitening Pen. It just looks like this. And then the last 4 are actually makeup products. So the first one is a little duo from LA Girl. This is their high definition eyeshadow in Caruso, I think that's how you pronounce it. Just looks like this, absolutely beautiful and sparkly, and it's those different tones of blue. Then we have 2 lipsticks. The first one is from Bare Minerals. This is the lipstick in Frenchie, which is like a purple toned lipstick, as you can see, for you to try. Really, really good, obviously, because by the time that this prize gets sent out, like when it gets picked and it gets sent out, it'll be basically cropping up to Halloween, so that'll be perfect for Halloween for you. And the other one is a red lipstick. This one is from the brand A.T. I don't know how you pronounce that. And it's basically just another little mini lipstick, and this is just a red one. It just looks like this. And then last but certainly not least, we have a lip liner from Revolution. This is in the shade In Waiting, which looks like quite a pinky one. I can't show you what it looks like because it has still got like the plastic seal on it. So it just looks like that. So if you want to be in the chance of winning this giveaway, make sure that you hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a meaningful comment in the description. Make sure you put a way for me to get in touch with you, because if not, your comment will get skipped and you won't win the prize. So it can be a comment about what videos you want to see. It could be a way for me to improve my channel, like what I've said. It could just be a question or an assumption. As long as you put a meaningful comment down below and you put a way for me to get in touch with you, then you're entered, baby. You're entered. I'll put all the rules down below just in case I haven't made them very clear. And like I said, if you put a phone number in or an address in for me, like for a way for me to get in touch with you, the comment will automatically get deleted. It goes straight into YouTube spam anyway, and it'll get automatically deleted by me, because I'm not having like your private information be on the internet, and it's not safe. So yeah, please make sure you put some kind of social media, email address, or even just say Lucy replied to this comment and I'll answer, because I've just had so many people before that I've won, and I've replied to the comment and it's been months and months later and I've had no response, so I've had to pick somebody else as well. So yeah, best of luck. I'll hopefully see you on Friday for a brand new video. I'm going to be doing a face mask Friday, and then the week after will be a foundation Friday, and it'll be alternating from now on, really, basically. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you Friday. Love you so much. Bye.